If you've got a black 3-tab asphalt shingle roof on your house in August, before the clouds come over to hit the monsoon, the surface temperature of that black shingle is about 160 to 180 degrees. That will cook an egg, okay? And it's just sitting up there quietly trying to mind its own business and protect your house. And then it's hit with a burst of monsoon air at about 50 to 70 miles an hour horizontal, and then it's hit with sometimes hail.
Absolutely.
All in the course of about 30 minutes.
Yeah.
That's a rough existence.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. No, so we found a niche in making sure that we're reaching out to those customers that when they call in those situations, helping them understand the difference between warranties that would be in place for some of those events. And obviously acts of God and things like that have a little bit different nature to them. And so, but that's our goal, is to make sure we're there to help them fix when those things come across.